Ahla wa sahla. Right now I want to talk about a structure that we can use for talking about things not being, or talking about the absence of something. In Arabic we call this structure la an-nafiya lil-jins, which translates literally as the la that negates the genus, or the la that negates the class, when we're talking about an absolute lack of something. There is no X. The construction itself is pretty simple. We take the la, and then we follow it with the noun that we're negating, the noun that there's nothing of. And that noun being negated always needs to be singular, it always needs to be indefinite, and it's going to take a mansoob case ending without tanween, just a single fatha. So, for example, the word ahad in Arabic means someone or anyone. But if we wanted to talk about no one at all, we could say La ahada. Of course, in most speech and in most texts, we're not going to see that fatha, but as diligent students of Arabic, we know that it's there. We get a lot of useful expressions by using this La an-nafiya lil-jins. For example, if we wanted to use haja. Haja is a word that means need, as in a need to do something or a need for something. So if we wanted to say, oh, there's no need for you to do what you're doing, or there's no need to discuss this, we could say la hajata, no need for discussion, for example. La haja lin-niqash. Li is a preposition that often follows haja. Or budd is a word that kind of means escape or avoiding. So we can use la an-nafiya lil-jins to derive an expression that basically means it is necessary to do something. There's no avoiding doing something. So if we wanted to say, for example, we have to study for the test, we could use this structure, la budda an nadrus. Meaning there's no avoiding studying, there's no getting around it. We have to do it, basically. We also get some stock phrases that are used in religious contexts. For example, you might have heard someone say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Meaning, there is no power or ability except through God. Sometimes people use this in speech as an expression of dismay, right? We're powerless. God is the only one who can do something. And here is a case where even in colloquial speech, because it's taken from a very formal context, you're likely to hear people pronounce those case endings because it's a fixed phrase. There's also a famous poem by the Palestinian poet Mahmoud Darwish, which is called sort of nothing pleases me, nothing makes me happy. So to say nothing at all, you could say La shay'a yu'ajibuni. And that's la an-nafiya lil-jins. We see it all over the place in spoken and formal written contexts, and now you know how to talk about things not being in Arabic.